And it goes a little something like.
Good morning, guys, and happy Tuesday. Today I'm going to be filming another college day in my life, so I really hope you guys enjoy. And with that, let's get started with today's video. So it's a bit later now and I'm about to plan out my day. I did have class at 9:35 and then I also have a Zoom meeting at 4 with one of my groups. I have like 3 projects due this week, so I really need to get on top of things. So we're meeting today to do that, and I also need to plan out the rest of my day. I also want to create a to-do list and write any notes for anything that I have to also do for my personal life. And yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. So let's get to it.
Let me be the one to ease your pain. Baby, take a break. It'll be okay. Let me be the one to ease your pain.
Okay guys, so I just finished getting ready for the day. I just changed into my outfit of the day and I did my makeup, and I also put my hair in a little bun, but it's falling apart, so I'm going to have to redo that. And right now I'm actually going to get started with filming another video. This week I'm filming a college outfits of the week. I've always wanted to film videos like these, but I just never made the time for them. But this week I'm filming one and it's actually a sponsorship, so I'm very excited for this one. I'm working with a shoe company and I'm just so grateful for having the opportunity to work with yet another amazing brand, and it's all thanks to you guys and your constant support. So thank you guys again for giving me these opportunities. I love you guys so much. But yeah, I'm about to get started with filming that video. So it's around 3 o'clock now and I'm about to make some lunch. It's this juicy baked chicken recipe that I found on Pinterest. I always find really good recipes on Pinterest. So this is most of the seasoning I'm going to be using. I think I might have brought down too much seasoning. I'm not sure. I need to look at the recipe one more time. But yeah, this is a general idea of what I'm going to be using. And then here's the chicken that I've been defrosting for a while now. So that's ready to go. The oven is already preheated to 400. So yeah, I'm about to get started. Okay guys, so this is my lunch for the day. This is rice and potatoes that I made yesterday, so I just reheated that. And then this is the chicken I made today, and it looks so good. I'm so excited to eat this. So yeah, and then I'm just drinking some mineral water to go with that. So okay guys, so it's a bit later now. It's like 5 o'clock now, and I ate lunch and then I had a Zoom meeting with one of my groups like I mentioned earlier. So I did that, and right now I'm actually about to head over to the UPS store. I need to return some things there, and then I'm going to head over to Walmart or Target, I'm not sure yet, to buy some things that I need really quickly. So with that, I'll talk to you guys very soon. So I ended up going to Publix instead of Walmart just because it was right next to the UPS store, and I really didn't feel like driving all the way to Walmart. So I got 2 things from my list, and these are just things I knew that Publix had. So I got a new bottle of cold brew because I ran out this morning. I'm trying out this new brand, and so far I really like it. This is my 2nd bottle just because the Starbucks brand is always sold out, but this is a good coffee brand. And then I also got a little jar of coconut oil, and I'm going to be using this in my hair. I've done it once before a couple years ago, and it left my hair so nice. I left it in for like 3 hours, and it just made my hair come together. It looked so healthy, so shiny. So yeah, I'm going to be applying this either today or tomorrow. I just wanted to make sure to have a bottle ready to go whenever I want to apply the coconut oil mask. So yeah, those are the 2 items I got. Okay guys, so it's a lot later now. I actually cleaned up the kitchen. I'm running the dishwasher right now. I cleaned up my Keurig. I put dishes away. I cleaned like the stove top. I cleaned the sink. I did little things like that, and that took me a while. And then after that, I was actually working on some sponsored content with Reebok. So I actually just uploaded a new picture on my Instagram, and I want to show you guys. So really quickly, I want to show you guys the picture I uploaded on Instagram. I decided to go with this one. I was having a really hard time in deciding which picture to post. I'm pretty sure I'll post every single picture I took in this shoot, but for now I just went with this one, and I really like it. And I was just like tagging Reebok, making sure that it says like sponsored by Reebok and everything like that, all the tags and everything. And then I also posted these stories that I had to post as well with swipe up links and everything and all the tags. Right now I'm about to make my 2nd cup of coffee and get started with some homework for the rest of the night. 1:10. I was doing homework on my bed. I decided to come upstairs just to lay here instead of sitting at the dining room table. So I came up here and I was working on this assignment, and I did turn in another one. So right now I'm about to like check these off. So I'm done with these, and these are both in the works, which I'm so excited for. I met with both groups and we should be getting this done by tomorrow, so that'll be checked off. And then this is what I'm going to do right now.